Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Hatred is the coward's revenge for being intimidated. You don't stop laughing when you grow old. You grow old when you stop laughing. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. I'm an atheist and I thank God for it. If you want to tell people the truth, make them laugh, otherwise they'll kill you. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men dread it. Animals are my friends and I don't eat my friends. Better keep yourself clean and bright. You are the window through which you must see the world. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. All great truths begin as blasphemies. Youth is wasted on the young. Without art, the crudeness of reality would make the world unbearable. There are two tragedies in life. One is to lose your heart's desire, the other is to gain it. Liquor is the chloroform which enables the poor man to endure the painful operation of living. If you cannot get rid of the family skeleton, you may as well make it dance. There is no love sincerer than the love of food. Never wrestle with pigs, you both get dirty and the pig likes it. What you are to do without me I cannot imagine. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. The most tragic thing in the world is a man of genius who is not a man of honor. The liar's punishment is, not in the least that he is not believed, but that he cannot believe anyone else. Criminals do not die by the hands of the law. They die by the hands of other men. Success does not consist in never making mistakes but in never making the same one a second time. We learn from experience that men never learn anything from experience. A mistress is better than a wife because she is not for life. Patriotism is, fundamentally, a conviction that a particular country is the best in the world because you were born in it. Power does not corrupt men. Fools, however, if they get into a position of power, corrupt power. He knows nothing, and he thinks he knows everything. That points clearly to a political career. The power of accurate observation is commonly called cynicism by those who have not got it. You use a glass mirror to see your face. You use works of art to see your soul. Dancing is a perpendicular expression of a horizontal desire. You'll never have a quiet world till you knock the patriotism out of the human race. A pessimist is a man who thinks everybody is as nasty as himself, and hates them for it. When a stupid man is doing something he is ashamed of, he always declares that it is his duty. My way of joking is to tell the truth. It's the funniest joke in the world. Doing what needs to be done may not make you happy, but it will make you great. After all, the wrong road always leads somewhere. Silence is the most perfect expression of scorn. The play was a great success, but audience was a dismal failure. Imitation is not just the sincerest form of flattery, it's the sincerest form of learning. Do not do unto others as you would that they should do unto you. First love is only a little foolishness and a lot of curiosity. The difference between a lady and a flower girl is not how she behaves, but how she's treated. We have no more right to consume happiness without producing it than to consume wealth without producing it. No man ever believes that the Bible means what it says. He is always convinced that it says what he means. Democracy is a device that ensures we shall be governed no better than we deserve. In heaven, an angel is no one in particular. Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance. If you can't appreciate what you've got, you'd better get what you can appreciate. If any religion had a chance of ruling over England, nay Europe within the next 100 years, it could be Islam. I choose not to make a graveyard of my body for the rotting corpses of dead animals. It is dangerous to be sincere unless you are also stupid. As long as I have a want, I have a reason for living. Satisfaction is death. Only in books has mankind known perfect truth, love and beauty. Happy is the man who can make a living by his hobby.